Ready to unlock the secrets of precisely tracking your newsletter signups and boosting your marketing insights. Now, let's dive into Google Tag Manager. Starting by accessing your container first, we need to ensure you are logged in. Look for the Workspace button and click on that to start working on your container. It should be easy for you to find on the GTM interface. Next, click the New Tag to begin configuration. This is how we will get the system ready to get the data through. Clicking the tag configuration should take you to a list of tag types. Select Custom HTML. It will allow you to add additional code for our purposes. Here's where the magic happens. Paste the necessary HTML script into the HTML field. Usually, this will be a simple piece of code provided by your email marketing provider. This tells Google Tag Manager to listen for specific actions. Then, we go to triggering, and we'll select the trigger for this event. Then we must create a new trigger that will allow the event to be tracked. This also means we will specify the type of trigger. Now we will select the type of trigger. Choose all elements at the top of the list, because our goal is to track any type of element, and this type is the easiest way to start. Select some elements to narrow your focus. Next, apply the element attributes in the context of the form. The element attributes are necessary information to track. You will need to set the conditions based on your form's code. The details are usually the same across all of GTM, or you can easily use other options if needed. Once the information looks correct, click Save, and now we must publish it for our changes to be active. Publish your new tag by clicking the Submit button, then completing the information required to deploy. You must make sure it deploys successfully. Head over to Google Analytics and ensure the event is firing correctly. It may take up to 24 hours to sync. This is how you successfully track your newsletter signups using Google Tag Manager, boosting your marketing, analysis, and optimization.